Okay guys, welcome back to How To's channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to register and how to open a new account on your AliExpress. So if you're a new user to AliExpress, you need to do the first thing is go to your Android or your app store or your Play Store to download the app, which is AliExpress app. Also download it and install it. Now let me show you how to register. Now let me go to my AliExpress. I've downloaded one already. I'll just open it. Once you open it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Just click here. Now if you're a new user here, you just need to register, and if you are a returning user, that means you have an account with AliExpress before. Just click on sign in. Now what you need to do is, I'm not going to sign in, I'm just going to switch account. Like, write your email here and you can continue with either your Google, either your Facebook, or either your Twitter. Let me click on continue with Google. Now you need to do is just click on your email account you want to use. Now you wait for it to load. All right, so we're going to wait for it to load, and just click on continue. Also click on continue. You're going to use your current email that you're using to sign in to register into your AliExpress account, and it's going to be the email you're going to use in doing transaction with your AliExpress. So make sure you use the correct email address. Now, good. So they said you can see automatically you have registered on your AliExpress. Google have transformed all your information with AliExpress. It's very easy when you're using something to sign in. Just use Google directly. It will save you from the process of putting in some information directly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys, and subscribe.